that is a wrap for our main conference talks at Wagtail Space 2025. I hope you'll agree it's been a brilliant couple of days, and we hope you enjoyed it. We've had 11 fantastic talks today, so thanks to our wonderful speakers, Sage, Tom, Juan, Maciek, Prissy and Doug, Shimezu, Craig and John, Alex M, Agnes, Alex T, Pavel and Laura, and Matt, who you heard from just now. And we still have day 2 lightning talks to come, which is starting at 1:45. We hope you'll stick around for the lightning talks and the social hangout that will follow that. And Wagtail Space continues tomorrow with our community day, which kicks off at 2 p.m. UTC +1. And this is your opportunity to get involved in contributing to the open source project. It's not just about code. You might be interested in UX, documentation, in accessibility, in AI, or any other topic. It's an unconference, so the participants decide what gets done. So whether it's your first time or you're a long-time contributor, we'd love you to come along to the community day and bring your skills, your enthusiasm, and your experience. It's time for some more thank yous as well. Thanks to our sponsors whose generous support helped make this event possible, including our presenting sponsor, Torchbox. Thank you to our corporate sponsors, Cursive, Hacktar, 6 Feet Up, Lincoln Loop, and 4 Digits, and to our community sponsors, Defna and the Django Software Foundation. And thank you to our Wagtail Space 2025 Organizing Committee. This event has been the best part of a year in the making. We decided to try and do something new this year and try a virtual event, hoping that this would be more accessible to our global community as well as more sustainable. And we set what we felt was some pretty ambitious goals of getting 600 people to sign up in the hope that maybe 300 of those would attend. Well, I'm happy to say that we're blown away that this afternoon we passed 650 registrations and more than 400 people have attended sessions across the event so far. Thanks also to all of our volunteers and admin support, with a special shout out to Jake and Neil from the Torchbox Systems team for going above and beyond when we needed their support. And thank you also to the 22 members of the Wagtail core team, our independent governance body for the open source project. And thanks, of course, to you, our audience. Thank you for joining us for Wagtail Space 2025. We'll be following up with a survey in the coming days to ask for your feedback. We'd really appreciate honest feedback on what worked well and what could be improved to help us make the next Wagtail Space even bigger and better. So do spread the word if you feel so inclined. We hope you'll come along to the lightning talk shortly and to the community day tomorrow. Thank you very much for joining us. We hope to see you again next year.